Hello everyone, comb your lovely hair and split them into two sections and have each of the section into three parts and have ponytails onto them, then braid it and make it go across each other and have the bottom ponytail folded and secure with the rubber band. Have a lovely ponytail and have a beautiful hair clutcher that has ribbons which has been already been made into a bow tie, then split a ponytail into three parts and have it braided along with the ribbon in a very thicker manner. So how you should braid is first cross the first two sections and make it into the middle, and cross the middle section and the ribbon and make it to the side and cross them. So this is how you should braid. So braid it in a thicker manner until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band, then create a loop and drop the tail into it making a belt design, and after that secure it with a lovely rubber band, then leave the remaining hair as such. Folded braid with hair ties. Comb your hair and separate the back section and the middle section, make it into parts and have ponytails on each of them making a hair tie. And after that in the back section have a top part and split them into three parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band, combine every tail together, have it as a braid and fold it to the top and have a rubber band. Folded braid with strips of hair going in between the gap. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it, and in the top section have a ponytail and split the tail into two parts, and on the right part split them into two and have it braided with strips of hair borrowed from the front section making the ridges visible. Continue doing it until you empty all the hair in that section and braid as normal as you would do with the remaining part of the hair. Do the same braiding on the left side, split the back section into two and have it braided along with the braid we made and fold it to the top and have it secure with lovely rubber band on top of it. Have two ponytails on the side section of the hair and the back section, split them into two parts and have ponytails on each of them in a tiny manner, then link it to the ponytail. Then have a bun maker and straighten your ponytail and roll to the top, have it as a circle, then hide the bun maker by extending the hair and secure with a rubber band. Have a ponytail on the top section of the hair and split the tail into two parts and have one secured temporarily, and with the other on the left split them into three parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. So once when you do 4 or 5 braidings, borrow a strip of hair from the front section and make it go into the braid, then continue a little braid, and after that continue borrowing the same section of their hair, then do the same until you reach the bottom part of the hair and also empty every hair in that section. But after that do the braiding as normal as you would do with the remaining part of the hair and secure the end with the rubber band. Then do the same braiding on the right side, and after that do little braidings in the middle of them and leave it as such. If you want, you can decorate with lovely hairbands right in the middle of the braids gap. Then after that decorate with your lovely hair clutcher right on top of it, decorating it even further. Have a lovely ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have a top section, a rubber band on top of it. Then after that create a loop and drop the tail right into it. Then bring the entire back section to the loop and make it come down at the front. Then after that split the tail into two and have it combined behind the tail with another rubber band. Then scrunch it to the top, make it a lump and secure it with a little rubber band. Then have a rubber band in the middle part of the tail and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make the entire loop come around the lump and split the tail into two parts and have it hidden underneath the bun we created, and secure the whole hairstyle by dropping a little hairband. Show it to your friends and impress them with your lovely hairstyle. Thank you everyone for watching this video.